type names and make $75 every minute. Hi guys, in this video I am back with a brand new method through which you guys can simply type in names and make $75 every single minute. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity, and I assure you guys that if you guys pay attention, you guys will end up making really good money. This method requires absolutely no investment, and you guys don't need any previous experience whatsoever. All that you guys need is just your smartphone or your laptop or a computer with a decent Wi-Fi, and that is pretty much it. So for you guys to get started is to just simply follow this video step by step, and you will be able to make really good money. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into step number one. Step number one. So in step number one, I want you guys to come on to retatype.com. Now guys, as you guys know, this method consists of typing and typing a lot. So you need to have really good typing speed. If you don't have really good typing speed, well then this method is not gonna work for you as well. So to improve your typing speed, you guys can simply come on to retatype.com and just simply click on start typing now. Now after that, just simply type in whatever they are telling you up top. So I'll do this typing test live in front of you guys just so that you guys know exactly how to find out your typing speed. So I'll type this in right now, and then after that you guys can basically see how fast my typing speed is. So right now it's telling me that it is 70 words per minute, but if I were to just simply do this again, so right now it's telling me that it is 70 words per minute, but if I were to do this again, well then of course I would be able to get faster speed. So from over here, simply click on start learning, and then after that it's gonna give you some very good exercises. So firstly it's gonna tell you to put your hands on ASDF, and then after that JKL, and then once you do that, then after that click on start typing, and then now from over here it's telling you to basically type this in, and then once you guys of course type this in, then of course you guys will have a very fast speed. So I'm just gonna do this. So it's not as hard as it looks, but of course with time it's gonna get easier. So over here now, of course over here as you guys can see that I made a good few mistakes, but of course with time and with practice these mistakes are also gonna go away. So make sure to repeat this process again and again, and you will be able to of course increase your typing speed, and you will be able to have a really good typing speed. Now once you have that typing speed, now comes the part of making money. So for that, come on to rev.com. Once you guys come on to rev.com, after that you guys can basically see audio and video transcription. So audio and video transcription options are available for clients all over the world, and all in all, Rev is basically the most reputed website when it comes to making money via transcription. So coming on to over here, you guys can see that they have a community of over 70,000 freelancers, and they get paid to caption, transcribe, or subtitle content. You can work from anywhere, and you can choose the jobs that interest you. They believe everyone deserves an opportunity to support themselves, even if their schedule doesn't allow for a 9 to 5 routine. After that, click on become a freelancer, and then that's gonna take you guys over to their sign up page. So now from over here, you guys can basically create a flexible work schedule, and their freelancing jobs allow you to work as much or as little as you want whenever you want, and you can of course choose from hundreds of jobs as well, and you will get paid weekly. So these are the rates that you guys are going to be getting paid. You guys will get paid to listen to audio and video. You will have to type in accurately to what is being said, and then after that you just have to label speakers. The range of pay is between 0.3 to $1, and then after that you guys also have the option to do some captioning as well. You can watch videos, you can accurately type what is being said, and then after that you can creatively convey sounds, sync typed audio with video, and of course the range of pay is 0.5 to $1 per audio/video minute transcribed. So over here you guys can also see how much money you can make if you were to subtitle a foreign language. So let's say you were to subtitle French, Spanish, some other language that is a language other than English, well then of course you guys will be able to subtitle very easily. So over here of course you can also take a quiz to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills, and then after that you guys can just simply submit a transcription or caption example, which will be reviewed to ensure that it meets customer quality expectations, and if you are approved, which you will be able to start earning right away. Now over here you also have some testimonials from people who have been working with Rev, and they all have good things to say. This person is saying that I love working for Rev. I work 30 hours a week as a legal secretary and do Rev part-time. I love that I can do this from home in the comfort of my pajamas, and I love being paid once a week and being able to keep track of how much money I make every job I turn out. They've also been featured on the Penny Hoarder, Forbes, the Huffington Post, Real Ways to Earn, and Business Insider as well. So of course you guys can simply click on sign up to be a freelancer, and you will have the option to start applying from this particular location. So all in all, it's amazing, and you should definitely get started with right away. So guys, this was the first website. Now let's move on to the second website that I have for you in this video, which is transcribeme.com. So guys, transcribeme.com is another amazing website that you guys can use to basically grab yourself some really good transcription jobs. So over here on Transcribe Me, you guys can basically see they have been working with some of the biggest brands worldwide. They also guarantee your security, and they have some of the most interesting topics in the world of transcription. So simply click on looking for a job, and then after that, it's gonna take you over to their job page. Now from over here, you guys can basically see that they have the highest industry rates, with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour, and their top monthly earnings are at $2,200, and their average monthly earnings are $250. And they also offer advancement opportunities for their special teams that include medical and specialty styles, which pay at even higher rates. You can grow and learn, and they believe in promotion from within, and you also have the flexibility to work from the comfort of your home whenever you want, how much you want. You can also transcribe short 2 to 3 minute clips, and when one clip is completed, their system sends another one to transcribe. So all in all, it's absolutely amazing, and you guys can simply click on get started, of course, to register via their free application form. Over here, you have to put in all the information that they're asking you about, such as the first name, last name, email, password, and then after that, just simply click on create profile. Now once you guys do that, after that you will be able to, of course, get started with Transcribe Me. So guys, this was the second website. Now let's move on to Go Transcript, which is the third website. So Go Transcript, of course, is another amazing platform, and you can also type in names and many other things over here, and you can start working with them. Click on join us as a transcriber at the very end of the page, and then after that, it's gonna show you how much money you can make. You can make $0.6 per audio or video minute that you guys transcribe. Now this can be about interesting topics as well. Secondly, the average monthly earnings are at $150 per month. Their top monthly earnings are at $1,200 per month, and you can, of course, get started right away. They are also serious about their security as well, so you have to put in your actual picture and your actual number over here. And of course, you have all these amazing features that you guys can enjoy once you guys are selected with Go Transcript. So guys, this was the method. Make sure to try out all these websites, and I assure you that you guys are going to be able to make good money. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.